we are going to second largest waterfall in Africa, which is the Ouzoud Waterfall in Morocco. And it's gonna be my first time going to a waterfall, so I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a 3 hours drive. It's okay because I'm not by myself.
Yeah,
It's William and Fabio. So yes. Alright, we just got off the bus after 3 hours of driving. Right now we're waiting for the guide to take us to the waterfall. Alright, right now we're taking a walk to the waterfall. It's gonna take 45 minutes to get there. This is the ways. It's a long walk, but it's gonna be a fun hike. Dang, this is crazy, bro. The water is so dirty. This is kind of fun though.
And she's a female monkey, macaque, 20 years, they go away. 25 for a male.
Whoa, this is amazing. There's a lot of people on the boats. We gotta walk all the way down. This is amazing. Alright, we're on the boats. Dang. Oh my God. Oh shoot. That's a lot of water.
Don't drink it.
Huh?
Don't drink it.
Don't. You're gonna break my fast. Time to get off the boats. Alright, we're off the boats. Oh, it's nice. Now we're going all the way up there, and we are gonna see some monkeys. Alright, we made it to the top. Now we are at the restaurants. Everyone's gonna eat, but as you know, we are fasting because it's Ramadan, so I'm not gonna be eating anything, but this is the restaurant. Nice views. Just gonna sit down and wait for everyone else to eat. Alright, everyone's done eating. Now we're gonna check out the stores. Alright guys, frying some chicken skewers right here. Yeah, so how are you guys feeling about the waterfall so far?
It's amazing. It's beautiful. Very pretty.
Yes.
Very nice.
What about you, Kavya?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Second largest in Africa?
Yep. That's pretty nice. This is what they got in the stores. It's really like glove design stuff for your house. Very nice. Beautiful. Alright, now we're going all the way up. We're going all the way up there. And there's gonna be some monkeys there.
So, their fingers.
It's good, my boy. And my boy into some peanuts. Dang, he's cracking that joint, bro.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they said to not do that. Yo, come on, that's sick. That is a really cool.
Yeah, come.
Oh my god.
Come, biscuit. It's a good monkey.
Is it gonna come down?
It's a good monkey.
Yeah.
I like this chilling one. Yeah, let's see.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Back up, back up.
This is so cool. Nah, there's more monkeys here. My boy right here, bruh. Look at the views. It's pretty nice from up here. Oh my god, there's so many monkeys. So many.
Tiene poquito ruido, ¿eh?
Where's mama? Monkey family. Hey.
Oh, you're smart.
Alright, how you guys feeling about this so
I'm
far?
feeling great, you know?
What about you, Faith? This is Faith. This is Ailey. How is Faith feeling?
Faith feels good. Faith is scared of the monkeys. Loki.
Oh.
I don't want to disturb them and their...
I actually fed the monkey.
Huh?
I fed the monkey.
You fed it?
Yeah, I got it
I
on
was
video.
scared of feeding it. I thought that it would be... I thought it would like attack me because that's what the guide said. I wasn't trying to do that.
Would you feed the monkey?
Would I feed it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I
If
have the materials.
If I pay $1 right now, you feed the monkey and like get it on your shoulder? No? Dang. Alright, it's time to go down. We're gonna go down, check out the other spots of the waterfall. Mariam and Kavi are trying to take a Polaroid pictures. You guys should take it with the monkey, low key. Guy right here, low key. He's just chilling. He's just living life. At the end of the day, we're all just trying, innit? Okay, I think it's time to leave. So we are gonna take another like 20 minutes walk back to our bus and then go back to Marrakech. This is the walk. This is the group. The kids are playing soccer right here. Alright, Kavia's better take these kids' pictures. They came all the way down to get this photo. So, alright.
1 2 3 go.
Nice.
Oh, but she
Nice.
Oh, okay, I'll take them too.
Dang, okay. That's
Maybe
cool.
she goes in the back.
She has Ava. That's pretty cool.
دقيقتين.
Ooh, okay. That's nice. They took a second photo.
Oh, حلوة.
Oh, one is coming out. Can I see?
I don't think
Can I
so.
see?
It says 6 because but it restarted.
Oh,
Oh, so it's no more there.
Yeah.
nice. Miriam is so
وأنت
kind.
مع أخوكم.
She's giving them money. That's so beautiful.
الصورة.
Bye. Alright, it's time to leave. We're going back to Marrakech.
Did yours leave that kid or something?
It's been a great video.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for
Been a
watching.
great day.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on another video of me trying something or going to a place for the first time. Peace out.